Let's make your first Forex.com setup quick, secure, and simple. Visit Forex.com, click Open Account, choose your region, fill in your email password and your contact details, confirm your email, then log into your new dashboard. Follow the guided setup wizard. Forex.com has a step-by-step AI assistant that helps you complete verification smoothly. Upload your ID and proof of residence. And within hours you will get a confirmation email. Once your account is live, fund it using bank transfer or card. Then select your platform, MT4, MT5, or web trader. For beginners, start with the Forex.com demo account. It simulates live markets without using real funds, letting you practice strategies and understand spreads, leverage, and margin safely. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.